Today I'll teach you one pie chart. We are in exercise 19.1, question number 6. The main products of a manufacturing company are corn oil 50%, mustard oil 30%, peanut oil 15%, others 5%. Display the above data using a pie chart. This is the first question for pie chart. Put the heading products, percentage, central angle. Corn oil 50%, don't write because on the top we wrote already percentage. So corn oil 50, mustard oil 30, peanut 15 and others 5. Make it total first. Total is 100. Now for finding central angle, already formula is given to you. Value of each component by total value into 360. So first value is 50, total is 100 into 360. 50 to the 100, by 2 you can cancel it, it will be 180 degree. You can do the rough calculation if needed. Second one, value of the component 30 by total 100 into 360. After cancellation, you will get 108 degree. Next one, 15 divided by total 100 into 360. Formula, value of each component by total value into 360 for finding the central angle. Already formula is given to you. After cancellation, you are getting 54. Last one, 5 by 100 into 360, getting 18 degree. If needed, you can do the rough work here. After getting all the angles, plus it and check 360 is coming or not. If it is coming, it is perfect. Now draw one circle. In your compass, at least you take 5 cm measurement. Draw one circle. 5 cm measurement, draw one circle. Now from the center towards right side, draw one radius. Then first angle is 180 degree. You put your protector here. Point will be on the point and line you can match with the line. You put the protector here. You can put the protector like this. Point you match with a point. Line you can match with the line. Then from this side 0 you start measuring up to 180 degree. Then make a line. So first angle we are getting 180 degree. Again you can turn the figure. You can turn the diagram. You can make it over this line. You put your protector and measure 108 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 108 degree. Then make a line. Again turn it. Center you match. Line you match with the line. This angle is 54 degree. You match 54. Make the line. And last one is remaining 18 degree. So like that way you can turn and you can do it. In your lower classes also you have done this pie chart. After that you write here 180 degree, 108, 54, 18. Then corn oil, mustard oil, peanut oil, others. And some design you put. All different design you can put. That's up to you. Downside you put pie chart. Your pie chart will be completed. So take care of this. Use your protector. How to measure the angle already you have learned in your earlier classes. Then measure all the angles properly by your protector and then complete your pie chart. So question number 6 is completed. Number 7, bar graph already taught to you. Now question number 8, one more bar graph I'll teach you. This is question number 8. A, number 1, bar graph. 100 people took part in a survey on their favorite fruit. Fruit, banana, apple, mango, papaya, guava. Number of people 30, 25, 10, 15, 20. It is given. They told us illustrate the results using a bar graph. So here you can draw the bar graph. Same like before. By leaving the border line you make one axis. By leaving the border line in the last second line you make another axis. This corner will be x, x dash. Put the arrow y, y dash, origin. Here you write fruit, arrow. Here number of people, arrow. Since your number is given up to 30, you can take the scale 5, 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now here you write the scale. For y-axis 1 centimeter, 5 people. Now your first measurement is given 30. By leaving 1 centimeter gap after origin, From here up to 30 centimeter, up to 30 you can measure. You can draw the first bar, a rectangle. Inside you can write banana. Second measurement is given 25. By leaving one gap up to 25, you take the measurement and draw another rectangle. Write down inside apple. Third one 10, fourth one 15, and fifth one 20. All the name you write inside and some design you can put. With this your bar graph is completed. 8A is completed. Now in question number 8B, 8A, second one pie chart they are telling us to draw from the same data. So let us draw the pie chart. Write down fruit, number of people, central angle. Banana 30, apple 25, mango 10, papaya 15, guava 20, total 100. To get central angle, your system, value of each by total into 360. So 30 by 100 into 360. After cancellation, you will be getting 108 degree. You can do the rough calculation. 25 by 100 into 360, you will be getting 90 degree here. 10 by 100 into 360, you will be getting 36 degree. 15 by 100 into 360, you will be getting 54 degree. 20 by total into 360, you will be getting 72 degree. After addition, total you are getting 360 degree. That means our calculation is perfect. Now we can draw the pie chart. By measuring 5 centimeter, you draw one circle. Then same way, draw the radius and put your protector here first. Protector central, you put it central. Center you put here. And this line you match like this. Same like before. I hope you people knows how to measure the angle. Then first angle you measure from 0 to till 108. This is the first one. Again turn the paper. Over of this line you make second one. Again turn. Over of this you make the third one. Again turn. Over of this you make the fourth one. Like that you continue. So first angle is 108 degree. Then 90, 36, 54, 72 over. Here you write banana, apple, mango, papaya, guava. Put some design and write down pie chart. Then here again question number B also they are asking. Which diagram shows more clearly that 1/4 of the people like apple most? We can understand in this diagram. The answer will be a pie chart. Pie chart can give me the knowledge about 1/4, almost 1/4. Which diagram shows more clearly that banana is more popular than apple? That is definitely bar graph. So second answer will be your bar graph. With this question, I am concluding today. Bye.